Hello everyone.
We're going to show you our LP.
We're going to show you today all our LPS. It's inside
The box.
inside this.
And some of them are our gifts from our birthday.
And I'm going to show you the pets, then the houses, and the accessories.
And the cards.
First, we got this. Her name is Chloe.
Chloe.
And she got it from her birthday. It came with this card.
And a black. I don't like the black. It's like a gold.
Yes. Second, this.
It's for my birthday too.
Next
And
is
this is for my birthday too. And this is the cup of the blind.
oh, and this is my bunny, my first bunny. This is actually my first pet. My sister's dragonfly.
Okay. This one is mine and this one is my sister's. And we exchange because it's very cute.
I like this the best.
I like this the best.
And this is my fox. Her name is Roxy.
And this is the walkable.
It's really walking. I don't know if it still got battery. Here. Its name is Honey. I don't know if it's a girl or boy. The face are moving.
And next is Ray.
This is my second new pet. I mean, not my new pet, the first pet that I got. Its name is Ray. It's a boy.
And this is my deer. I like it very much because he's so cute. There. The name is Deary.
And this is my favorite one. This is just
So fluffy. This and the rabbit.
they have a fluffy.
Yeah.
This came with the slumber party. This looks like this.
And I don't like this because have thingy on the.
And it has so many birds. Beard. 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 Beard.
I don't know how to say it.
Here's the dolphin I got.
This is what my sister's favorite. See? 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 So cute.
I still want to eat this. If you watch my Orion, you will know the name. My Orion video.
Okay, this is my sister Ducky. So cute, it's pinky. See? And it's come with the hat thing, but I don't know where it is.
Oh, yes?
Where? Oh. So it comes with this. Ow! But cannot. Next is my Squirrely. She can stand in a bed or anywhere.
And one more problem about this pet.
Yeah.
This
Cannot
pet cannot stand.
That's why my sister gave it to me and I gave it my one. And this is the glittery one, the ribbon.
And for your information, both the pets we exchange by at the same date.
Okay. This one is so cute. Have the ribbon on it and it's shiny and glittery. And my owl, and the name is Owlie. Look at this. See? She is going to graduate. Next is Julianne is my sister. It comes with the.
It comes with Ray
No,
and the hat.
it's not.
Yes, it is. I'm the one who got it.
No.
Okay, I
He
need you
is
to
he.
play.
He and this
No.
and this is the. I don't know. Forgot. Sorry. And this.
I need you to take something.
What? What?
I need to take my bag.
Oh, sure. Then excuse me.
next two pets is these two birds. It doesn't count.
Okay, here's your bed.
So crazy. Thank you.
Ah! Hey!
Okay, these birds, they look alike. They both have this at the end.
But they cannot stand.
Yes, they need the supporter. Is that all the pets?
No? This is my curly. We have a turtle also.
And
I said to my father that this can go to the pet one. The real one.
And I think that's all the cats. And now we're gonna show you the things we got. First, this is our first one. It comes with a swing, but it doesn't fit anymore. It just come out in the spider web for the spider because it comes with this.
And the second.
And the second one is my boat.
With the
dolphin, and the duck, and the fox.
And this is the
slide I get for my birthday.
No, it's not. Oh yeah. This is I got when
This is the bed. We got it when we got the slumber party. And this is the web I'm talking about. Some of you may got this, but some may not.
This is just nothing.
Yes.
I do it for a bathtub or a table. And this is what I got for my birthday.
It's a car. I think it's a motorcycle, not a car.
And this is my sister did this when she is going
This is Chanel's one. She got it with a dog that she don't like.
And this is nothing.
This
looks like a dog.
Noella Lol gave me this.
And this is like
Thanks,
a dog.
Noella Lol.
It's 3D. And
But
this
I
is
don't
nothing.
think
It's my sister's.
Hey, this is private. You can see our privacy. Oh, we can see me videoing.
Okay. This is the car when Jenna Lol gives
Noella Lol.
who?
Noella Lol.
Your classmate.
Noella Lol give me this.
And Noella Lol also gives this.
She also gave me the hair dryer and thing. And I'm not gonna show you like everything, but cause there's too much.
Here is the hair dryer.
That's the code.
No, it's not. It's the hair dryer.
Oh, it look like that.
And this is the food.
Okay, you know food, right? It's all here. Our LPS food and other stuff, random stuff. Get away, bossy ball. Ouch.
Hey, get your bouncy balls back.
Okay, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you want to get a shout out and subscribe you. Thanks for watching. Bye.